These are the rose petals bioenzymes. These are strained and filtered. Yeah, and these petals will be used as a culture again, and this few amount of these petals can be used for culture, and this can be again used for compost. So after 3 months, so this is how it appears. The flavor, the smell is awesome. You can just sprinkle it on the car, inside the car, inside your house, and wherever you want to have a room freshener, you can use this instead. You can even use this as a pesticide or for promoting more flowers to your plants. You just have to use 5 ml to the mug to a complete with the water, mix it, and you can spray it with all the plants, and this can be used as a pesticide to protect from all kind of germs and everything. So it gives immunity to the plants.